Hi, this is July 14th, 2014. A little after, it's Monday, it's a little after 6 p.m. It's day 13 of the Academy. So today I'm gonna talk specifically about water, about how water works on an Earthship and how it's working here in Alberta, Canada. So here you can see the roof, which is still almost finished. Probably still some flashing to do and some finishing on the skylights. Anyway, so it's a metal roof. You have the gutter here, and then from the gutter the water will fall here, reach the top, go above and go into the cistern, which will at some point there should be some gravel there and some silt catching, just a small mesh here, and then goes into the cisterns. We have 4 cisterns here, probably about, I don't know, probably over 1,500 gallons each. So the way it works is the rain is going to fall on the roof, go to the gutter, go here, fill the cisterns, and then we can use it inside the house. This is a layer of EPDM to protect from humidity from water. So it's going to be buried a little more, pretty much up to the gutter. Anyway, so in an Earthship, the water from your cisterns is used 4 times. First, you use it to take a shower. After you take a shower, that water is gonna go to grow food in your greenhouse, and then at the end of the greenhouse, at the end of the planter, the water is gonna be pumped back to flush the toilets with grey water. And then after the toilet, this black water is gonna go through a septic tank, and then it's gonna do landscaping outside or grow maybe more food, certain types of food that you can grow on black water. So this is where we are today. The west face is looking better. There will be a round window there. Door frame here. All the windows are in. So here, these are the 2 pipes coming from the cisterns. Probably this one for the 2 cisterns on the west, and this one for the 2 cisterns on the east, which are connected together. So water gets here. You have a valve here to turn it on and off, and then it arrives here. This is the water organizing module, or WOM. The water gravity feeds all the way to here, goes through like some kind of small filter, like a 50 mesh, just to catch sediments and particles, like big particles. And then, in order to protect this pump. When it's switching the pump is going to pressurize the water to probably like 60 psi, I guess. Here it shows the actual pressure. This is a pressure switch, so that when, depending on how it's set, let's say it's set on 50 psi, which is pound per square inch. Once we reach 50 psi, the switch is gonna stop the pump, and then when we go below, let's say another setting, let's say 30 psi, then the switch is gonna turn on the pump to add pressure and keep everything pressurized. So the pump is pressurizing all the water, then the water is getting filtered by a 500 mesh filter, and then we're feeding into hot and cold water. Then it keeps going to a 1000 mesh filter, and then to a ceramic filter to provide drinking water. Drinking water is filtered more but since we are going through 2 extra filters, and also the flow of water is a little slower here, so in order to save the life expectancy of the filters and to have a good flow of water, we filter. These extra filters are only for drinking water. 500 mesh is enough for water that you're gonna wash with. So then here it gets a little more complicated. So this one should be called, yes, cold water bathroom. So you have cold water going through east and west bathrooms. And this one probably through water hose. And this one, no, this one in the back. Wait, it says cold water. I think it should be hot water, I'm not sure. This one goes to the pressure tank. Pressure tank is gonna be here, and it's like some kind of big case with a rubber membrane that will accumulate pressure for the water and deliver pressure back. So it should be hot and cold. I guess this one is, all this is cold, this should be hot, I guess. And then it's gonna feed into this bathroom as well as the other bathroom. So let's see. So you can see the pipes going through here and going to feed the second bathroom. And they should be coming from here. I'm not sure if it's finished or not. Let's go check out the other bathroom then. The plumbing might be easier to look at. The floor is starting to get leveled with dirt, and then later we'll have concrete tiles. Okay. So we're getting all these pipes for, let's see, we're getting 6 pipes. So we're getting hot, cold, and drinking water. And we should also be getting water from the grey water system. Okay, so where do I start? So this is a shower. Shower head will be there. Hot and cold water are going to be fed into the shower and can be directed to the shower head or to another hose here, possibly a faucet for a bathtub. I guess it will be a bathtub. This would be the drain of the bathtub. This would be the toilets, and this the sink. So I think the way it works here is that the sink will have hot, cold, and drinking water in the input, and the drain should be here, and this is another pipe if you need to clean, and you can insert a snake to try to clean the pipes. So then we see that the pipe from the shower drain and the pipe from the sink drain go together here. See here they're connected to in here, and they go there where there's a two-way valve which should go, that should be some reception cell that will maybe feed into the grey water. I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna work here. For the toilets, the drain is going out here to black water, so that will be outside. I mean, actually it's following a pipe. The pipe is going here to the floor to here, and it's going outside for black water. These are overflows when the grey water is going too high. I'm not sure exactly where the holes are. Maybe it's here, I'm not sure. Then it will go into this pipe and overflow into the black water cell. Same here. When the grey water, let's see, I think the grey water can overflow into the black water pipe. Right, yeah, and the black water pipe is here, and here, and goes here, as we just looked at. So these pipes that go up are actually, one is for black water and one for grey water. They are here to provide aeration, ventilation, and the other one there is ventilation, like when you take a shower and to evacuate the steam and humidity outside. It's pretty standard. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly where it's piped for, like, how the grey water comes back to feed the toilets. I guess it's probably these two. Probably one of them is grey water and the other one would be clean water, maybe? Yeah, cold water and then grey water. I don't know, I will have to ask to make sure. So, this was one bathroom. This is the second bathroom, which basically, same idea. You have a shower here. The large yellow pipe there is for gas. It goes all the way up. There will be a gas tank outside. Anyway, so you have the shower, and then you have the toilet, and then the sink. So here, this is gonna be the power organizing module for electricity. This should be the water heater, I guess. Yeah, they're all related to heating the water. I'm not sure exactly how they work. I need to ask. So this is a kitchen. Kitchen is gonna be fed somewhere. Well, this should be the kitchen sink. Yeah, it's a sink. Hot, cold, and drinking. Drain and cleaning pipe. And it all goes. The kitchen sink goes to black water. And there we'll have a washer, the washer and dryer, but the washer should go to grey water, I think. Yeah, it seems to be going to grey water. Yeah. Same as, yeah, it's connected to the same pipe as a shower. Okay. So the grey water. The grey water will go feed the planter here. We cannot really see the planter yet. There is this EPDM layer here that goes all the way below, like to the floor of the grey water cell. It has big rocks around the pipes to let the water flow. Then it has a layer of gravel all the way. And then some sand, and then there would be dirt, probably more organic dirt to grow food in it. This, I guess, will be plastered. So the water from showers and washing machine will feed the plants here, and at the end somewhere there should be a pump. I don't know exactly where it will be installed. It will be a pump that will send water back to flush the toilets. And then the kitchen sink, the toilets, the two toilets, and the overflow will go to black water pipe. The black water pipe goes outside. Let's go. This first bedroom is the most advanced room in the whole house. So yeah, black water tubes come from here, and right now they probably go nowhere. They will have a reception tank here at first, some temporary thing to give the owner the time to get a septic permit, and then they will implement the black water treatment cell. But he said he might do it next year or something. So we will not have to work on black water here, it seems. Okay, so it's day 13, and I'll make a video later about something else, I don't know what. Okay, bye.